In this video we are going to update this standard Acros headset from the acrylic or plastic headset cups, upper and lower, to the aluminium press fit system, which is a Acros upgrade part. You can buy them on our website, and you can also at the same time do what this customer has done, which is replace the standard integrated top cap with this external cabling top cap, so that you can upgrade and play with stem length, bar heights, all those kinds of things nice and easily. Okay, on the right we have the standard angle adjustable headset cup. It's plastic. It's often quite noisy. Lots of customers are upgrading this standard cap for strength purposes. You can see that it is, I'll just try and line it up for the camera. It's the same installation depth, so it doesn't change your stack. Comes with a crown race and a new tapered bearing. Now, we would prefer if these were a sort of a tension fit, because lots of customers do complain of creaking, especially with the carbon and the plastic interface. But it's just a straight up fitment into the underside of the headset. Now, there is two versions of the lower headset assembly, and they don't both fit any bike. You can see the stack depth on the block lock. So this one here has a steering lock on it to stop your forks from hitting your top tube. One of the biggest challenges with these new modern integrated systems is that the routing of the cables and hoses goes inside the bearing. So because this job here we're doing is replacing this top cup here, we're going to do a full job on it. We have to remove all of the cables and connections. This bike has already had the aluminium ICS update. We did that one a couple of months ago, but we're going to go ahead and replace this top cup with aluminium, a new bearing. We'll refit this and we'll put some new grommets in the top cap to make it look nice. One of the things that we do with these top cap grommets is, if you put a small slot in the side of the hole, it saves having to make a massive hole to put this through. This, once it's pressed in place, will seal up that small slot, so it's no problems for sealing, and it's a much better solution than trying to drive this whole diameter through this grommet. Okay, so we've got the top headset cup out now. You can see it's the same angle adjustable version. The Focus and other brands use this in there, which is a nice idea, but for most people, there were certainly customers like this who have got repeated problems with creaky headsets. Then replacing this plastic one with this metal alternative, we're going to seat this correctly in the frame. Now, when it comes to replacing these grommets, they're pretty cheap. I think they're only like $15 for a pair on our website. We're not going to refit a new barb and olive and compression nut to the brake hose, because it's certainly much easier. The dropper post was working fine, so we're not going to undo that one. We're just going to put a small snip in the grommet, and that will bring the hose out of the side of the grommet without requiring any additional and unnecessary cable or hose shortening. Now, because this headset cup isn't angle adjustable, there's no front or back, it can go in any position. Now, lots of you with these Acros headsets will be familiar with the ICS compression ring. It's acrylic. It works fine if it's adjusted correctly and if it's kept in adjustment, but we have seen examples of aggressive riders who may have had a small incident and broken the front section out of this. That's the only thing we ever see, is the front section gets broken out. If that happens, we have an upgraded aluminium compression ring. You can buy these on our website. You can see they look identical. The aluminium version performs better, and we think it's more durable, and it's a good upgrade. Okay, now it's time for some new plugs for the top cap. So we keep these on our website. They're already pre-drilled. You just have to poke the holes through at the top. And of course, because we have disconnected a couple of things, we're just going to put a couple of slots on the inside of the ones that we need to use.